Hi guys, it's morning. I'm gonna wake up my sister. Carefully. Slowly. Okay, ready? Wake up, sleepyhead! I was gonna scream like.
You're videoing this. Oh gosh. Hi, America. Or possibly the whole world.
Whole universe.
I have Trixie with me. She is colored. Here, let me introduce you to our Anna and Elsa characters. That's Anna. That's Elsa. We have the Infinity figures. Anna.
And
Elsa.
we got for Christmas for action figures.
Yeah, I got this one, and she got the Elsa accessories. We got everything possibly for Elsa, including that poster. Show them the poster.
We should film a Christmas video. Next year we will.
Yeah. When it's actually Christmas time.
Yeah. No, we should do a Christmas Eve one too. Well, watch the next video.
Our next video is gonna be our Christmas video. Bye.
Surprise! It's a mystery.